Hi guys, here at Botany Bay level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Golden Minecart. Glitchy alarm. There we go, time is 16:22 on Saturday 26th of September 2000. This is for hour 16:28, 1 Echo 17, Virgin Trains East Coast Series from Edinburgh to King's Cross.
So I don't know where, but where does she come? Does she go like from that way?
That way.
She'll go that way.
I missed the closure.
Did you miss the amber light?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Hate when I do that.
Well, I've missed the amber light.
Did you miss the amber light there?
I did miss the amber light in the first closure, but for this closure I did. I did get the amber light. Which is good.
I'm not very happy about that. This iPod takes so long to speed up. Get away, wasp. Has to be ready in its own time. Swim from that way.
I know. But I'll have to bring it over here.
See the ones I've uploaded.
Then?
Have you been on the level crossing thing? Seen the ones
I haven't. I've not been on the. I can't get on it. I haven't got. I'm not a part of it.
You are.
Look.
You're invited. It says I can't invite you again. It says you've already been invited. Here it comes.
Oh yeah. I'm not on it.
You're going on the right one.
Is
Level crossings and railways in Lincolnshire.
I've actually seen that, but is it in the is it in groups thing?
No, it's a page.
What do I need to go into? See more pages.
Yeah.
No, we need your number.
Well, we'll do this for now.
We've got 82.
82 to 23. 82 to 23 to 91. 119 to Edinburgh. Or London King's Cross, and up they go. 130, 119. Get on the road. Let's go to the next video.